The major problem in human life is memory. And memory itself is a blessing too. The main function of chitta or the mind stuff is memory. Major constituent of function of mind is memory. This memory we have, what we think as our memory. I remember this, I remember I met him, I remember I studied that, I remember what happened in my childhood. All these memories, if they are not used in proper way, they create a big chaos in our life. If you study the Bhagavad Gita, the last submission of Arjuna in 18th chapter, he is telling Nasta Moha Smriti Labdha. In the 18th chapter, he is telling, my delusion is gone, my memory is gained. It is verse 73. Nasta Moha Smriti Labdha. Tat prasadat maya achyuta. Through your grace, O Achyuta, O Krishna, my delusion is gone, I have regained my memory. So there are two types of memories. One is memory of who am I, remembrance of who am I. The other is memory of the world. Memory of external things. Memory of who am I is the ultimate goal of prayer, meditation, and all other spiritual discipline. Memory of who am I. And memory of the world, it is useful in our day-to-day life. Now, as I told you that this memory is a problem, at the same time it is useful. How to handle with this memory? We have discussed again and again that we always remember what we should forget. It is a very common human nature. We forget usually what we should remember. Simple example, in our lineage, we have been again and again told, watch your breath, remember your breath. If we analyze our daily life, we forget our breath so many times. You just think. Suppose we have to forget. It is better to forget ordinary things. They are not so vital to us. But we remember those things. And not only we remember, because of those worldly memories, we bring too much of trouble, difficulties into our daily life. Suppose we see a person or we saw a person. What do we remember of him? We saw a person. For example, those who came to this ashram first time, or some of you among the trainees, for example, they did not see Pragyanananda before. For the first time you saw here during this program. So you carry a memory with you. Which memory do we carry with us? Is it useful?